stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaylin and we are back with another video. Please excuse my voice. It is on and off. Y'all know, if you watched the last video, Cam was sick, then my husband was sick, and now you know I done got whatever it was too. So I've been fighting for my life for this week, but nevertheless we are here to record this video, and yeah, we're gonna get right into it. It's gonna be short and sweet because my throat is killing me, and I've kind of just been not talking around the house just so that I can savor my voice, so just bear with me. But I hope you guys are doing well. We have a cash stuffing today of $290. We're gonna be stuffing our 100 envelope challenge, our wallet, and then our budget envelopes for sinking funds. So let's start out with the Joy for Journey. Finding joy in your work. Work should always be associated with joy. The story is told of 3 women washing clothes. A passerby asked each what she was doing. Washing clothes was the first answer. A bit of household drudgery was the second. I'm mothering 3 young children who someday will fill important and useful spheres in life, and wash day is a part of my grand task, and caring for these souls who shall live forever was the third. Ordinary work, which is what most of us do most of the time, is ordained by God every bit as much as is the extraordinary. All work done for God is spiritual work, and therefore not merely a duty, but a holy privilege. And that was by Elizabeth Elliot. So promises to help you find joy in your work. Whatever you do, do it heartily as to the Lord and not to men. That's Colossians 3 verse 23. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. In all labor there is profit. Proverbs 14 verse 23. And then the Lord will give strength to his people. The Lord blesses his people with peace. Psalms 29:11. And I really like that. I always like Colossians 3:23. Whatever you do, do it heartily as to the Lord and not to men. Because sometimes at work and stuff, or anything that you do, you might not get the recognition from the people that you're doing it for, but God sees and God acknowledges what you're doing, and you will be rewarded for it. He'll reward you, and that's what's most important. So just as a thought, I actually keep that in mind at work now. So let's get into our wallet. We are going to be putting $50 in gas. I dug in here for some reason. I think when we went away, I don't know. I don't even remember, y'all. But I dug in here for some reason. So some of the envelopes are not the same, especially in my sinking funds. So eating out is going to get $10. We've been doing a whole lot of that, unfortunately. But when I'm sick, I just want Chinese store soup. I don't like canned soup. I think it doesn't hit the same. So that's what I've been having the past couple of days. But it's not expensive. It's like $5. But it adds up. Spending's not getting anything. Coffee's not getting anything. I've been drinking tea lately. Date night's gonna get $25. We're trying to plan a little spa trip coming up soon, like the end of the month. Trying to plan a little spa trip to be like a little, just one night getaway, so we can spend some time together and then have like a relaxing time. Activities isn't getting anything. Books is not getting anything. Cam's not getting anything. We have a fund for her that we put, like a baby fund that's for all of her stuff, so she gets money allocated into like our joint account for all the stuff for her. So this is just like extra stuff. I'm not putting anything in that. Oh, actually I am. I'm putting $5 in it. I gave her the $5 incentive for me, so she has $5 in there. Personal is getting $20. I need to get some new allergy medicine. I just don't feel like my allergy medicine is cutting it anymore. And usually I do have to switch around. And then I'll be paying tithes with my card through the app. I went to the bank, but it was closed, so I didn't get the bills that I needed. So some of the stuff I had to like change around. So then next we're getting into our cash envelope sinking funds. So B-Day and gifts is getting $5. We just had a couple birthdays. Mother's Day is coming up, so happy early Mother's Day to our moms out there. I'm praying that this sickness is gone by then so I can actually enjoy the day, but it is what it is. Hubby has $30 and he's getting $5. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35. This is me just saving up for his birthday. His birthday's in December, so I have a long way to go. Car maintenance has $50 and it's getting $75. And this is just because I have my oil change. I was supposed to go to my oil change the other day, but I canceled it because I wasn't feeling good. I mean, rescheduled it. I wasn't feeling good, so now I'll be going next week. I get paid again next week, so I'll have a little bit more. So I'll allocate some more money in case it's more than this, but it shouldn't be. I should have $125. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 15, 20, 25, 125. But it's nice to have like a little bit extra just in case, because who knows, I haven't had anything like issues with my car, so I always like to have a little bit more just in case something decides to pop up. So emergency fund, I wiped out. I don't even know what I wiped it out for, but I'm putting $15 back in here. So that's what we have. Medical dental isn't getting anything. It has nothing in it now because I got some lab work done, and I just found out my insurance is trash. Okay, my insurance just covers 80% of the labs, like after you meet the deductible. So I literally have to pay out of pocket for lab work and stuff. And I was trying to figure out every time I got labs why I was paying money. And I finally looked at my package and that's why. And there's no option to not do that. Like the insurance just doesn't cover labs until you meet your deductible, which is absolutely ridiculous. And I'm like, insurance is it's just terrible. You need it, but it's terrible. Mine is terrible. You would think working in a hospital, your insurance would be good, but no, it's not. So my benefits at work should be opening up shortly, and I'm definitely going to opt in to get like a health savings account so that I can have money put into that, so that I can have a little like debit card for health savings, and then that can be that, and I won't even need to put aside medical dental. I can just use that because it's ridiculous. My husband actually has it and ended up being able to like reimburse me for the lab work. I'm like, this is crazy that I have to pay this much money for labs. So he used his health thing to pay for my stuff. So vacation has $10 in it. It's gonna be getting 10, so we'll have 20, 10, 15, 20. We are planning a trip for August, so we definitely need to start saving a little bit more for that. That's gonna come by fast. I just don't even know. Luckily, where we're going, we are staying at like a family member's timeshare, so it wasn't expensive, but we have to pay for our flights, and then when we get down there, food, and then if we want to do like activities and stuff, so we have to think about that. So my goal is at least probably like $750. But I don't know, y'all. Y'all know I'm trying to pay off these loans. Might not be able to do all the activities, but we'll see. Christmas has $30 in it. It's getting 10, so we'll have 40, 20, 30, 35, 40. My goal for this is like $750 as well, so that we can get decorations and stuff like that. Now that Cam is like more aware of things and observant, it's like I want to make sure that the house is nice for her. Now I don't know how I have $10 left. That doesn't make any sense. I didn't add that up right. Okay, well, giving will get $10. I was gonna put just 5. Let's see. What can I do? I'm gonna take, I was just trying to put 5 in giving. And then I'll put this 10 in vacation. So now we'll have 25 in vacation. I don't know how I did that. Let's add that. Probably because I couldn't take out the bills that I wanted, so. Alright, so that is that. Now we're going to go into the 100 envelope savings challenge. Y'all, I don't even know where I put this little marker. Okay. So, we are putting in $50. I'm trying to get this whole side, like the 10s done. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. We're going to put 50 in and 60. So then we'll just have 70, 80, 90, 100. And then I'll start just like hopping around. So, I'm going to color in 50. And we have $285 saved already. And after adding 50, we are left with a balance of $335. It's like slowly but surely. I'm hoping to be able to do a lot more after this one loan is paid off. I think it'll be a lot better. So let's find 50. What are everyone's plans for the week? I hope everyone has, the weekend. I hope everyone has a good weekend. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. One of the pages is duplicated. Oh my gosh. I have two 49 and 50s. Does that mean I'm missing one? We're gonna have to see. I think I'm missing one. Or hopefully it's just a duplicate. Oh my gosh. How did that happen? Alright, So we got 50 in there. All right, let's see, y'all. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm missing 45. So they messed up. Darn it. Well, that's annoying. I mean, it happens. It's a mistake, but okay. Nothing's messed up, but this is wrong. This needs to be 45, 46%, 48. I don't even know if I have. I'll have to get like a Sharpie. That's ugly, but gotta do what you gotta do, I guess. Okay, well, that's that. So you have $335 in there. I don't have any dollars, so nothing's going in the dollar savings challenge. That is it, you guys. So next week I get paid, so the next cash stuffing will be another Sallie Mae payment, and then I think that's it. We're not gonna do a cash stuffing for that one, just the Sallie Mae. So we'll do a debt update, and then I got a new budget binder, so it'll be the budget binder unboxing and review, and then we'll pay the Sallie Mae. We'll do that in a combined video so that it's like enough, and then the next one will be the cash stuffing, and then that'll be it for the month. We'll have 3 checks this month, so we have 2 more videos to go for this month. So thank you guys for watching. Pray for your girl. I hope I feel better in a few days, especially before Mother's Day. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed weekend. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.